Hi everyone, so welcome to the channel. So happy new year to all. Let's begin this year with a very fantastic start. So in this video we will be covering the very important topic where what are the things we have to validate or we have to make sure ourselves in the agreement document between the builder and ourselves. Let's get into the topic. Before that, please subscribe if you have not done before. If you already done, post your comments, post your feedback. So whatever you think it's valuable to others, you can post it in the comment box. Let's get into the topic. So that's a specification section, which is very important one, where we have to read each and every word. That's very important. If you want to make any changes, make it do before making the agreement itself. Read it twice, thrice. So first thing, structure. As you are seeing, RCC framed structure, the steel. What is the steel they are going to use it? So here you can see JSW brand. That's what we used to prefer, because the JSW is the first fresh raw material made steel, and cement is in Coromandel. So that's a basic one. And isolated footing 7 feet depth. So what is the ground from ground level? What's the depth you are going? Either 7 feet or 6 feet, 5 feet. It is everything based on the soil test, or else you can check with the neighbors. If the neighbors went for 5 feet or something, then very well. Based on the soil type, based on the soil test, I would prefer go with these. Basement height 5 feet. Again, it's again based on the your land area, water logging, everything. And the one important thing is, they may not mention in the in this agreement. You can also ask them to keep that information, where what size of the pillar they are going to use. I mean, column, what size, what is the size, and what are the size, different sizes of rods they are going to use. So that information will be available in our plans. So that information is available in center line drawing. So what you are seeing, right? So here you can see how the columns are aligned. So what is the size of the column? So you can see two types of columns, C1 and C2. C1 is something as 16 cross 16 mm and 12 mm, and C2 is 16 mm rod. So that's a basic fundas where you can just validate in the center line drawing information. So you just make sure that you are getting this center line drawing from your builder, or else ask them to merge into your agreement itself along with this drawing and these, what is the size of the rod, 16 mm, 12 mm, something like that. You have to capture it. So this is very important. I think so. I already created a different videos where the slab, enter slab should take the support on using the beams and columns, not on the walls. So that is being built using these column sizes only. So please make sure that everything is proper before making the sign and the agreement. Okay, next coming to the walls. So walls, brick walls, external brick walls 9 inch thick, cement using Coromandel. Okay, and internal partition brick walls 4.5 inch thick and using machine cutting bricks. That's one thing you have to make sure either some machine cut or the other different type of bricks. So whatever specification you are going on, and plastering with the cement, plaster both side wall, yes. And internal wall will be finished with Asian paint wall here, putty with 2 coat emulsion coat paints over a coat of primer. And you have to make sure here, so how many putties are there doing. So mostly 2 putties. So some places I have seen that 3 putties are there doing that, but 2 putty on top of that Asian Paint wall primer is white primer is enough, and the external wall will be finished with 2 coat exterior emulsion. Yes, so there are different types of paints. There is Apex. For our exterior I would prefer Apex, or Apex Ultima is the best one. And next, doors. Next one is doors. So main door teak wood frame, first quality teak, and you have to make sure that whether it is a carving one or without carving one. Here you can see without carving. And the bedroom good quality second quality teak wood frame, and with commercial molded door with enamel paint. And toilet PVC door single panel. So make sure your requirement is clear here. And also you can mention. Next one is kitchen platform with polished black granite slab over a concrete slab. Make sure that it's a concrete slab first, and on top of that granite slab you will be getting. So most probably black or green with dots you will be getting. So, and you can also request your builder to mention the price of the granite. So most probably 100 to 120 is the actual price all builders are doing. And single bowl as a sink is it's a standard size 2 cross 1.5 feet. And whether you want to go for a double bowl or a single bowl, you can mention it. It's on 4 feet height wall tile. So here's the point, that is whether you want 2 feet or 7 feet, something like that. So or you enter wall, you want to make sure the wall tile. And one L type is the loft. So if they mention just one L type, then it covers irrespective of the size of the kitchen they have to make it. So that's the understanding. So still you want to make, you can ask the size of the, for example you are going with the 13 cross 9. So okay, some people may go for only 13 feet alone, that is one side alone, or some people L shape painted tells of 13 cross 9 also they will go with that. And one open cupboard 4 cross 7, yes, Kadaba slab you can that's a standard one. And long body tape 2 numbers, that's okay. And next one, bedroom. So one side that is loft is either of the sides you can make sure you will be getting the loft. And one open cupboard, that's a standard size 4 cross 7. So but there are builders they go till 6 cross 7. That is the flexibility they are offering it. So during the agreement itself you can make sure that 6 cross 7 is possible or not. And hall and bedroom bathrooms. So hall and bedrooms will be provided 2 cross 2 vitrified tiles. That's a cost, that's a standard size I have seen in entire Tamil Nadu. So 2 cross 2 vitrified tiles, 50 rupees for hall, bedroom, all other areas. Bathroom, wall tile, everything, right? The cost would be 35 rupees. That includes sit out area, car parking area, bathroom wall tile, kitchen wall tile, and your bathroom floor tile, everything 35 rupees. That's a fixed amount. Bathroom 7 feet from the ground actually. Okay. And toilet will be provided to one number of Indian closet. So here you can make sure that is what kind of brand they're going to have it. So either it's a Pariware or something. So here you can see Pariware brand, wash basin 1 number, bathroom fittings tab and 2-in-1 tabs, shower set, angle clock, and using Metro products. And this is the difference between Metro or equivalent products for each toilet. Okay, so that's a catch here. So what exact brand you want it, you can capture it here. So that's the reason I am having this document, which gives you the more information about it. So what we can go for it. Okay, so those things you have to think. You have to make sure in this document during the your house plan design itself. And electrical, so you are consult wiring with necessary fan, lights, pines. Make sure that it's a pines, not none of the builders are giving you fan or lights because the different reasons, but certain builders are giving some limited number of lights and fans. All the points will be provided whatever you are reading. And the wires using phenolics, that is the most important one. Wiring or is very very important. Please go for the branded one. And switches anke romba modular switches it does not matter, but wiring is a very important one. There are so many switches types are there, the outside box, everything. So you can go around it and you can capture the what model you are going to select. The final one is plumbing. So pipeline, toilet pipeline, and rainwater harvesting, and pipeline using, so what type of pipe? So pipes using Finolis brand. Again I'm saying pipe also very important, go for the branded one. CPVC brand, Ashworth brand, that is for the in all the water in outlet and inlet pipes. Thank you for watching. I believe you have got enough information or lot of information. Some I might be missed out. You can post your feedback, comments in the comment box. We can discuss more in the upcoming videos. Please support me. Please subscribe if you are not done before. Thank you very much.